Hello everyone, I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 10 today. Here we'll have to discuss about the chapter number 3, that is metals and non-metal, on which we have some portion already we have completed. So here our topic given as corrosion. So what does it actually the mean of corrosion? What is the corrosion exactly called? Suppose if there is a loss happens, or you can say when a metal surface is attacked by air, water or any things around it, and that can loses its property. So that is the term is said to be these metals get corroded, and the process by which they will get corroded, that is called as corrosion. So corrosion is what actually? Corrosion is a method or the process by which the surface of a metals loses its basic properties. Suppose if there is a silver which is present in exposure to the air. So after getting pass of a time, the silver turns into the black. Why? Because due to which the layer of silver, when it is in the exist of air, that it can be reacted by the silver again, so silver again combined with the silver react to the sulfur to form the layer of a sulfur around this, and after being that sulfur is already present in the air, and that can causes the black appearances on their surfaces. So it is another type of a corrosion too. You have seen the metal like copper get turned into the green after passing of some time. That means when the copper are found in the exposure to the air, there will be the calcium carbonated layer should be there to check out the losses of its shiny surfaces. If it is get reacted with the carbon dioxide, that is a moisture carbon dioxide, it will form the carbonate, which is turns green to the copper metal after a passing of some time. That means that if there is a surface copper require a green coating, so these green coating of what? The green coating over the surface of a copper will check it out that do not get corrode easily. So if it is the copper, that can be the outer surface may covered with a green layer. This green layer is composed of what actually? That is due to the carbon dioxide, or you can say the moisture carbon dioxide around it, due to which its color get its color get fade. After being pass of a time, it turns black. If it is get reacted with the moisture carbon dioxide. So this layer is composed of what? Carbonate. To check out the loss of upper layer of a copper. If it is not so, so the color of a copper will loses its properties and its shiny surface become dull due to the formation of substance which is present in the, that is a carbon dioxide which is present in the air. So we can say it is the type of a rusting too. Most type of metals like gold and most type of a metal like gold and silver do not corrode easily, that it does not easily loses its shining property or the shining surfaces. Now the most common corrosions happen in case of corrosion in iron. In case of a iron, if the iron get kept, if iron kept outside or exposed to the air, that may be, if the iron kept in the exposure of a air, it will form iron oxide, and you can say the hydrated iron oxide. What does it mean? It means it will form Fe2O3 into half F2. So if it is takes place, this will happen due to what? Due to only the one reason, that is when the iron which is kept outside, Fe, it is iron, if it is found exposed to the air, and it is found directly into the exposure to the air, so might be there is some moisture present in our atmosphere as well as the oxygen present in our atmosphere. So what happened then? There will be the oxygen and moisture will get attached to the iron and form, sometimes it is written like that, XH2O. कभी कभी इसमें XH2O लिखा रहता है. इसका मतलब है कि जो वाटर का अमाउंट होता है वो X मॉलिक्यूल है, दैट इज इट डजंट द फिक्स्ड अमाउंट, it does not have the fixed amount of iron. So you can see in that cases when the iron object is left in the moist air for a longer day or for a many days, so what happened then? So this will react with the oxygen as well as the water, and that is formed the hydrated ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3 into XH2O. So in that case, what is the rusting of iron? to which we can say it is rusting. You know very well, all the metals that can corrode, but only the iron or steel can get rusted. So what is the rusting? The formation of a flaky, light flaky red brown materials found on the surface of the iron, that is called as rusting. What is rusting? Suppose if there is iron which is kept outside or kept into the exposure to the air. So here is some moisture are present in the air as well as the oxygen. So this will found hydrated iron oxide. Why? Because the moisture present in our surroundings, from which it will get moisture in the form of a hydration as well as the oxygen. So only the iron get rusted in the presence of water or the moisture and as well as the oxygen. So what happened then actually, on the surface of the upper surface of the iron, there will be the flaky red brown color of a substance which deposited over the iron in the form of a hydrated ferric oxide. But in the case of a ferric oxide, there is a XH2O, that is the amount of a water molecule is not fixed yet, but here is the ferric oxide get formed. That is the third stage of a iron, that is ferric. So this will form the ferric oxide, and here is the X molecule of water will get added. Now here we will do. So student, here we have already discussed on the topic of rusting of iron. So in case of rusting of iron, you can see it is a soft, crumbly or crumbly substances we have in our senses. We are all, most of our time, you seen about such a flaky and crumbly type of materials, that is a reddish brown color, light on the iron as well as on steels. You can say it is found in all the materials, like wherever the railing, the windows on, you can say the al-kurpi, or like a screw pipe, iron pipe, whatever the iron material is, you can say. In case of screw, iron nails, the blade, the knife, what type of the iron material that can be rusted due to presence of atmospheric oxygen and the water, that is in the form of moisture present. How this may happens? As soon as its flax off due to the presence of this, can be, the rusting can be followed due to only some conditions. What are these? Presence of oxygen, presence of oxygen, that is air. Next one is the presence of water, is in the form of vapor or moisture. Which is present in the form of moisture. And the last thing, it is form a flaky, crumbly type of a light reddish brown material. That one is called as a rust. How it will take place? It will take place in the presence of the atmospheric conditions. Wherever it can be prevented, or this can be checked by using the different processes. What are these? How we can preventing the rust? Preventing rust, and this may take place by different meanings. First one is painting. Next one is oiling and greasing. Oiling and greasing. Next one is galvanizing or plastic coating. Or might be the chromium plating. Chromium plating. These are all the method, and at the end there is a two other process called as galvanizing as well as the alloying. These are the different methods by which we can prevent the rusting. So firstly we'll have to discuss on first one, painting. What is the painting? It is, suppose if there is a material that is present in the open surfaces, that is present is exposure to the air, so there might be chances to get rust. And if it is get painted, colored with the paint, so there is a layer may form. If it is a layer formed by the paint, so the air and moisture could not reaches up to the iron, and the rusting could not take place. In case of oiling, suppose if there is no paints and only this can be prevented by using oil. If it is deep the may get use the oil, so that can be confirmed the oil could not allow the air and water to reach to the surface of the iron, and rusting could not take place. In case of a plastic coating, you can see in case of electrical wire, it has to be protected by using plastic coat, that is called as a plastic coating, by which the rusting could not take place. Chromium plastic, most of the time, like a tawa and other cooking utensil, can be also covered by the using plastics. It is a hard plastic. Chromium plating, you know very well, there is a number of the plate by which on which the chromium painting can be done, due to which only one reason, that is the iron sheet could not be get rusted. Galvanizing and alloying we will discuss.